Directions. Place the following points on the number line given the numbers. All right, so we've got some numbers here. We have 4, 7, 5, 2, and 8. So here's our number line down here. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then so on. So that number line means it can go on and on and on. Now, this 4, whoa, why does it want to freeze? There we go. That 4, we are going to take this dot and we are going to plot the number 4 on our line. So here's where that 4 is. All we're going to do is put that dot on the 4. The 7, we're going to take this yellow dot for the yellow 7 and we're going to place it where that 7 is on the number line. So we're going to place it on that number line where there's 7. 5, we're going to put the purple dot where that 5 is, which is going to be above this 5. And the next one, the orange dot, is this 2. This 2 is all the way down here. And then we have 8, which is the last one up here. And that's going to be it for this slide. All you have to do is plot those points. Great job.